I wanted to show you these new Williams-Sonoma Bridgerton Floral Fantasy Lollipops. They are flower lollipops that are edible, and they come in this box, and I haven't tasted or opened it up or anything yet. I wanted to do it with you so you could see it. Let's check it out. These are ideal for tea parties if you're watching Bridgerton, any of the seasons, or the newest one in 2024 is season 3. I'm definitely going to host a tea party. So, wow, they have this wrapped really well. Okay. And then you get, looks like you get 4 lollipops. And you'll be able to look up the ingredients on the Williams-Sonoma site, but they're also on the back. Sugar, light corn syrup, water, potato starch, food coloring, glycerin. I believe these are vegetarian because I don't see any gelatin, which sometimes these can have. So here's a close-up. I'm not going to taste it on camera. I'm sure it tastes fine. So I can't tell you how it tastes, but I want to save them for the party because they're not super inexpensive. But I definitely wanted to show you them close up. It looks like they have an edible flower, which I hope is fake and not a real flower, and it's encased in the lollipop. That is so pretty. I can't imagine that these are real flowers that they went out and picked, so it must be just sugar. Plus, it didn't say anything about real stuff in the ingredients. And there's a pink one, is the last one. And they're taped in here. So I hope they taste good. I'm sure they do. And have fun at your Bridgerton party. Thanks for watching.